To get started on our rainbow project, we're going to be drawing two large fluffy clouds in the bottom corners of our paper. Nice, soft, round lines. Then we're going to draw a big rainbow line connecting them at the top. We're going to continue these lines and space them apart so that we have 6 sections. Make sure you're counting only 6. Should be 7 lines, 6 sections. Then inside of the sections, we're going to put some letters to help us remember the order of the rainbow. We have Roygbiv, so we should have Roygbiv. Then we're going to use these paint dabbers and color in the sections that are for that color. There are only 1 color per table. So if somebody is using the red, then just pick a different color and use it in that section. Make sure you're paying attention to what section you're coloring in so that you can have the correct order of the rainbow. I just used red. Now I'm going to use orange. Be careful as you use these. You do not need to slam them, press them down really hard. They do have a special foam tip, so if you rub them too hard, it will mess up the foam tip. Like I mentioned before, if somebody's using your color, then find a different color, like this violet. V stands for violet. Make sure that you are putting the cap back on after you get done using them, and then also make sure that you put it back in the bin so somebody else can use it when you are done as well. I have G for green. Yellow is the hardest color because it can easily get blended on accident into the other 2 colors. So when you're using yellow, try not to let the applicator touch the green or touch the orange because it may mess up the yellow color. When you're completely done doing your rainbow, we're going to move on to tracing and outlining our rainbow. You will do this with a black. This will make your rainbow stand out and make it bright and vibrant. I traced my clouds, the top of the rainbow, and the bottom of the rainbow. Finally, we're going to move on to our dots. You can do this with any color, and make sure you're doing it kind of slow, and you want to add a lot of dots. Usually, rainbows are formed because of the rain. So we're making it look like rain by tiny little dots all over. You have to carefully pick up the applicator and press it down multiple times to make all the dots. When you're completely done, take your messy mat and artwork to the drying rack.